All right, so if you have been following the Grit and Polish for long, you've seen this kitchen. We renovated it about 3.5 years ago now. The big upgrades we did was we doubled the door size from the dining room to the kitchen, which doesn't seem like a huge deal, but it has made this space so much more livable. And we also closed off the old dining nook, which was this wall behind us, because basically this kitchen didn't have any countertop or cabinet space. So gaining a wall gave us a lot of extra storage. So since you're over here putting in the new faucet, we decided to do a little bit of a couple lingering projects in here. We sanded down our butcher block countertops and resealed those. We also did a lot of paint touch-up. This has been a rental now for a couple of years, and of course we lived in it before that with children, so there was lots of just little touch-ups to do. We also finally ordered a cabinet door for one of the original cabinets that has never had a door, so that's very nice to see. And the two cabinets that we added next to the range hood have always just kind of floated on the wall. And I don't know why, but it kind of bothered me in here. So we finally added a soffit and put those up to the ceiling to kind of match the original cabinetry that was still in here.
That was a really good touch, I think. Yeah. It turned out really awesome. This whole wall now looks much more crafted, much more built in, along with the hood vent.
Those little touches tend to really help a kitchen out. So this is a small kitchen, but it is probably one of the most efficient kitchens we've ever had. It's just really laid out well. It works well with two people. It's funny that it's probably half the size of our farmhouse, but twice as usable. So, you know, sometimes small kitchens can be really awesome.
I love this kitchen. This is probably my favorite kitchen of all of the ones we've done so far. It has butcher block counters. It has an exposed brick chimney. The open shelves over here are really cool. The stove is my favorite range ever, Blue Star.
A couple of the design choices that I made 3 years ago when we renovated this space was to bring in cement tiles. That's kind of a trendy look right now, but it really kind of fits the Spanish architecture of this house. To save money, we did a small backsplash just behind the range, which I think is kind of a nice feature without being too much pattern. We went with open shelves, and Gary and I love open shelves in a kitchen. It really makes it easy to get plates and bowls, and as long as you keep them clean and kind of a monotone color scheme on them, I think they look clean and they look nice and they add a little bit of warmth to the space.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more how-tos, more from the farmhouse, and more action
Just more.